Hello from Slovenia again. Today I mixed my pearl white, that it's Vallejo pearl medium mixed with Amsterdam titanium white in 1:1 ratio with water, and thin them down because I will play with hair dryer, and there I have Amsterdam Oxide black. So those who know me, you know that I'm struggling with Dutch pours, so let's see what will happen if I mix them only with water. Okay, and I will just pour this pearl white here like that, and black on top. And this will be it. And now I will blow this out. I definitely think that I would need a little more paint, because it's kind of weird. Don't like this black part here. What can I do? to do something here. Just do like that. Doesn't look like I was hoping for. I will leave it to dry because I like this pearly cells kind of. And let's see how it will dry. I was afraid to thin it down too much because, you know, this pearl white tends to grow and grow, and I was afraid that it will just take over, or how can I say, so that's why I was afraid to thin it down. Maybe I should, but I will leave it to dry and see what will happen. So here is a close-up. I will try to show you those pearly looking things there. I'm thinking to do this with my pouring medium because I want this lacing and cells to be a little more defined. It's definitely different with just paint and water, but, and of course just struggling with the composition like always with the Dutch pours, but I will leave this one to dry to see what will happen just with paint and water mix. Okay, so this is it for today. I overdid it again, like always. Just don't know when to stop. And see you on the next one. Bye!